You know, World Cup match, cricket match, India Pakistan. You have seen? Hello, Saurabh.
Yes, sir.
Mm. You know the name of the player who got injured?
Sir Hardik Pandya.
Okay, so Pandya's got some shoulder injury. Maybe it may be this same type of injury may have occurred to him. That means the ligament injury. Now you can see over here what is there. There is a tear. Where is the tear? It is the tear is occurring in plantar plate tear. These are the basically the ligaments that are coming up, and when we run for a very long time, what will happen? You must have seen the long distance runner. What they are doing? They are basically very poor people, those who run for a long distance. And when they don't wear a proper shoes, what will happen? All the tears are coming where? On their legs only. Okay, so these are the strong basically ligaments, those who are basically you can see under the foot is there. And if this tear is occurring, it is very painful and it take a long time to heal. You understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now nowadays shoes are coming off. When you go to buy shoes, basically in Adidas and Nikes and all, the high brand, they will ask you for what you want shoes. Now they have made the shoes for walking, jogging, running, and so on. Why? Because they are giving you enough cushioning so that you should not develop an injury. People are working on this, they are experimenting, doing research to develop the shoes accordingly. And when they put up a lot of money, that's why the brand is charging you a big amount of money. So basically, to improve performance, you should able to do or you should able to select the shoes that you should not get injury. If you get injury, what is the problem is coming up? And people are going for a break. And such tears are very painful. Or twisting your hand, then you have got that continuous pain. Or while catching the ball, playing basketball, or something, you get an injury to your fingers. Those injury basically in the joints, they are basically of the ligaments only. What ligament do? They keep your bones bind together. They will not allow the bone to move away. So in this case, due to the continuous running, long distance running, people have this type of serious injury and their consequences are very serious. Put the next slide, Hari. Now the secondary goal is about, we can say, injury prevention and rehabilitation. Like when you'll get injury, how you can prevent, and if you get the injury, what is the rehabilitation process? During your sports life, did you got any injury? Anyone? Saurabh,
Yes, sir.
you got any injury, Saurabh?
Yes, sir. I got injury in my shoulder, sir.
What happened?
Sir, there is a minor break in my collarbone, sir.
Okay.
टॉर्च शो करते हुए सर गिर गया था.
and it is very difficult because the collarbone has got no plaster.
Yes, sir.
You have to only carry it, and you have to be very careful unless and until it gets, because इसमें plaster नहीं लग सकता.
हाँ जी
We
सर.
don't, we are not able to put the plaster in that type of injury when you are getting to your collarbone. So you have to be very careful while falling. When you're falling on your shoulder sideward, the impact that is coming to the collarbone only.
Yes, sir.
So you have to be very careful. So what is that prevention? That nature has given you the big deltoid muscle, and those muscles prevent you when you fall. You, if you're falling, okay, do one thing with your right hand, touch on your left shoulder.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go in the corner and feel the bone. Go in the corner and feel your bone. That bone, collarbone, basically that collarbone is coming from below your neck and going towards the site on the shoulder. So go towards the side and extreme end of your shoulder. Basically, it is a scapula projection is there. Scapula is the bone which you have in your hand from behind, and this your hand humerus bone is attaching to that. And that corner one is very delicate because when you fall sideward, you should not get injury to that. So our deltoid muscles are somehow made in such a way that will not get injury. But if the fall is big, you will always, when you're falling from the bike or falling sideward during running or playing, you'll have this problem. And that collarbone is very delicate. So you have to prevent. And if you get an injury, now what is there? You have to go for rehabilitation. Anyone has gone to the physiotherapist for any type of
Yes, sir.
physiotherapy treatment? Okay, what that physiotherapist do? He'll give you some hot or cold treatment. Basically, after 48 hours, they are going to give you the hot treatment. That means heat treatment, some type of heat. There are so many from infrared to the TENS because those are all electronic machines regulated by the electrical impulse developed, and to the deep muscle or deep tissue of the body also. So the secondary goal basically is a strong related to main goal, because athlete, if a healthy athlete will perform better than the injured one. And we can see when Pandya has got that injury, now we are not having the sixth bowler to bowl the ball. And you must have seen the consequences. We have not taken a single wicket during the match, and we lost by 10 wicket. So injuries are part and parcel of the sports, but you have to be always be careful. Always you have to prevent. If you're not preventing once you got that, that will have a long term effect. Because in our country, India, we don't have those sports injury doctors. Sports injuries, if you get any injury, very difficult to recover. And during childhood, if you're getting any serious type of sports injury, most of the players or the small student, they leave the sports, and their parents, they say, now let's leave this and go and study. So these are the basic big problems. Next slide. Okay, sports improvement, technique improvement, we can say. In many sports, even technique is a major factor of performance. Martin, he has given in 2004, defined sports technique as follows. We can say sports technique is a physical action of an athlete which lead to the best possible execution of physical motion. So what is we can say? Some physical action of athlete which is leading you to best possible execution of physical motion. That is the best possible in conformity with the required task of a given sports event. So we can say how someone is performing and how the other is performing. So sports technique is basically the best possible execution of that movement, whatever you are doing it. Improvement of technique with the help of biomechanics can be used by teachers and coaches to correct motion of athlete. How you can see improve? You can see others also, how others are performing. Then you can analyze whether the one who is performing is a good technique or not. Because sometimes people have a poor technique but they perform well. So you have to prove that this is the best possible action you can do. Moreover, research work in the field of biomechanics may develop a new and more effective technique for better execution of sports motion. Like when you do swimming, since the rules are there, as Sharayu told that day, that you have to go for this only, and you cannot do this and this. So, to performing that, you have to best possibly, you must find a body or physical thing in an athlete so that he can perform better. Who is the in swimming the best swimmer of all time? You say
Michael Phelps.
Phelps.
what is the how he is different from others? Shall I you?
So उसके
What is the
हाथ
height of
पैर
that man? What is the height of that?
6. I don't know exactly.
He is about 6'4".
Yes.
Or this is your homework. In next class, you will tell about that man. The hand
Okay.
length. Listen to me. The hand length, the body
Yes.
physics available, so that best possible physics you will find it, so that he can perform very well. His hands are so long, plus the palm. When you pull in the water, the size, you will find a comparison very easily on the net. Why he is gone and more than 20 Olympic medal he has got, no?
Yes, sir.
More than 20 Olympic medals. In a single Olympic, I think he has got 6 gold and 1 silver. Shall I use something like this now?
Yes, sir. 7 medals.
7 medals. One was in silver. He lost to that Singapore boy. Song, I think. Oh,
Sam Collins.
huh? Song. Sam, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is how they select the athlete. In our country, the selection process start after you start winning all the nationals and there. From the beginning, they are not seeing the athlete and telling that student or the player or the athlete to go in this event or perform this event. What is a talent search? According to you, what must be a talent search? What is the definition, or you can say, how you say what is a talent search? Anyone? You said talent search. We are going doing talent search so that we can find the best athlete, best player for this. So talent search in foreign nations, they what they do, they see during the school days only. When the Olympic took place in China, what they did, you can find the 11 years old athlete, they are taking the gold medal, and the world was so astonished to see that. In gymnastic, their medal came in their teenage. You can see that. So that's how they do this rigorous research and find out the best one so that you can get the best possible performance. And through technique only, you can give the best possible performance. Next slide. Hari, see a simple example is there. In the former case, teacher and coaches make use of method of qualitative biomechanical analysis in everyday practice to produce change in technique. Now, by seeing this, how a teacher can say that you have to do this when you're taking off, when you're in the air, the movement, the roll in the air, and then landing. Okay? Nowadays, cameras are coming and they record the thing and they keep repetition. You can see visual what you are doing and what are the problems you are doing, where is your hand, and this is, see, this is known as tug in position. You can see in the air that position. Sarai, you must be knowing when diving and all you use this.
Yes, sir.
Tug in position. You what you do, you
Summer
fold
salt.
your knees. No, somersault is the full one in the air. The third and the fourth figure you can see the tug in, the knees are coming close to your chest and it is in a folded. So you are performing this, and by doing this, the before coaches used to say or the teacher used to say you have to do this, the student don't understand. But nowadays, if you show the figure, their own figure by recording from a mobile or camera and continuously showing them, so they will improve in a better way. Okay, so the analysis has to be there. There are two types, that is qualitative and quantitative. So they can improve and implement in their teaching and training process. Okay, so this somersault one is taking up. There are three recommendations. Let's say the teacher has found out the fault, or we can say not the fault, suggestion or recommendation, we can say. First one is to jump higher. Now, teacher is giving the recommendation. The first recommendation is to jump higher. To flinch arm with more energy before taking off. How? You have to flinch. That means the arms has to be come forward and backward before taking off, because some amount of jump you can take with the help of your arm swing. If you are doing fast arm swing backward, your body will go backward. And from backward, when you are bringing it up in front for the jump, that swing has to be fast. You have to put more energy. By arrow only you can see the second figure. You can see in the first figure the arms are going backward. In the second figure you can see that they are coming very fast forward. So that jump, it will help in the jump, take off. When you jump, you just jump close, try the jump, putting your hand very close to your body, and then taking a swing from the hand and jumping. Okay, to curl up more tightly. That is the during the flight phase, you have to curl up more tightly. That means you have to bring your knees very close. Why you have to bring? Because the angular motion is there, and for the angular motion, what you have to do, if you are opening and full opening your body, you will not able to land properly. So what you are doing, you are the turning radius, you are making it small, while turning in the air. All these recommendations can help to execute this task correctly based on the principle of biomechanics. If at least gymnast jump higher, she has more time to finish the turn during the flight phase. If she is not doing that tugging in position, that means she has less time during the flight phase. To curl up more tightly means to increase the speed of rotation. If you are going slow in rotation, what will happen? You are not able to finish the turn. So to increase the speed of rotation while keeping the same angular momentum. To fling's arm with more energy means to increase angular momentum which help gymnast to rotate faster. So the angular momentum, that means when you are moving in the air, that momentum has to be, it must be a faster momentum. If this momentum is not faster, that means you are not able to perform the somersault properly.
भाई
So you should
टूट ही जाओगे.
do all the things correctly, then
बाद
only
में
your
जाना पड़ेगा.
this
खुला तो था
jump,
ये
or we
खुला
can
नहीं.
say this somersault will be executed properly.
कल का
Because in
पेट्रोल में
gymnastics
150
there are
डाला है.
so many,
पेटीएम ले ही नहीं रहा था
how
उससे.
you can say this performance better than other, with the technique only and
फ्लेक्सिंग
how
करते हैं जो
smoothly the athlete is performing. Otherwise there are uh, degree of difficulty seen, how smooth the movement is performed. You must be knowing the
क्या
movement
है
in the air. They are being
इसको.
judged by the judges, and there is no one judge in there.
फिर
There are different judges sitting,
क्या करा आपने.
and they basically evaluate you for your performance. Next slide,
जल्दीबाजी किस चीज़ के लिए यार.
Hari. Okay, so will this, you can see the Phelps photo only I have put. Will
आवाज़ देखो
this
ये
we'll
क्या
do
नाम है
this
इसका.
one tomorrow
वेट
when
हमेशा बढ़ाते हैं.
Shrayu will give you about the information about the swimming and all. So we are going to do this tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow, and what we'll do, if I'm not able to present to you, so Hari will present. Okay, Hari? Give this notes to all. Send this notes to all,
Okay.
so
किसको.
that I can open in my, and we can move on. That way also we can do. You can see yours and I'll see mine. Okay?
अभी मिलते ही
Okay.
जाओगे ना.
Okay then. Thank you. I've got meeting to go. That's why I'm just putting it off today early.
ओके सर.
We'll meet
Okay,
tomorrow.
sir.
Okay. Bye.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, sir.